In this video, I'm going to calculate the monthly payment of a loan, also known as EMI. And for this example, I'm going to use a car loan. Let's say I'm going to buy a car for $45,000 and I'm going to do a down payment of $7,000. I typed negative $7,000 because whenever you're dealing with financial functions in Excel, Excel sees money that you receive as positive values and money that you pay as negative values. Then the salvage value of the car, let's say $10,000. And the salvage value of your car is the price I expect to get once I sell the car after the loan term. So I'm paying $7,000 at the beginning of the loan, then a small payment every month, and at the end, one big payment of $10,000. These are all dollar amounts, so I'm going to put these in a dollar format. Then the number of months, and 5 years or 60 months is very common. And this should not be in dollars, so I'm going to give this one a general number format without decimals. And since I have monthly payments, I also need a monthly interest rate. But in general, interest rates are given per year. Now this can either be the effective interest rate or API, annual percentage yield, or this can be a nominal interest rate, also known as annual percentage rate. Let's say I have an effective interest rate of 6.8%, enter, and there's a function in Excel called nominal, which calculates the nominal interest rate from the effective interest rate, comma, then the number of terms, or 12 months, parenthesis, enter. And this is also a percentage, 2 decimals. The nominal interest rate is just 12 monthly interest rates, but it does not take into account compound interest. And the effective interest rate does take into account compound interest, and that's why it's a little bit higher than the nominal interest rate. What I need to calculate the payments is the monthly interest rate, and this is simply the nominal interest rate divided by 12. And this is also a percentage, approximately 0.5% per month. And now I can calculate my monthly payment, and Excel has a function for this, and this is the function PMT from payment. Then first the interest rate per month, comma, the number of months, comma, the present value, and the present value is the amount you want to borrow. This is $45,000 minus the $7,000. I'm going to type plus 7,000 because the down payment already was a negative number. And so the present value of my loan, my payments, is $38,000. It is 45 minus 7. Then the optional argument, the future value. And the future value is the amount that is left after the 60 months. So after the 60 months, I still owe $10,000. And I'm going to pay this $10,000 at the end as one big installment. Comma, and then the timing of the payments. The default value is 0. And 0 means you're going to pay at the end of every month. Enter. And now I have my answer. My monthly payment will be a little over $600. And now I can change the numbers to see what it does to my monthly payment. Let's say instead of 5 years, I'm going to pay off my loan in 8 years, so 96 months. Enter. Now my payments are not $604, but $430. And this is how you calculate the monthly payment of a loan.